Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel, How to Get an 800 Credit Score. My name is Lyndon Baptiste, and thank you so much for joining us. If you've been watching us for a while, then please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It's a big red button that says subscribe here in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. If you're on a cell phone or you're on a laptop or a computer, if you're on a cell phone, you can turn it sideways. You'll see it there in the bottom left-hand corner, and click on the bell for notifications. That way you will never miss a single video as we make them here on this channel too also as well. So I do want to thank you all for joining. Right now we have 4 people with us here in the live chat. Thank you so much to the 4 people who are with us here today. I want to thank you very much for joining us too also as well. And also, we are inviting you guys, if you're watching this video, to go ahead and become a patron of this YouTube channel, How to Get an 800 Credit Score, and learn as much as you can about credit. To also, you have unlimited access to me, and you'll have me as your personal credit building coach too also as well. They're guiding you every step of the way to help you increase your credit score too also as well. And I can also help you guys with buying large purchases, such as buying your dream home or buying another home or your first home, buying a car, or funding for your business venture or startup. So definitely has a lot of value by joining and becoming a patron of this channel too also as well. We also have 2 tiers. The first tier is to support this channel too also as well. The support is greatly needed by us to help us produce better content here on this channel. And the tier 2 membership on the patron is all of the benefits of the tier 1 to also as well. And also include in that with access to authorized users for those who have less than 6 months of credit history, positive credit history, that is. And also we have other information about authorized users that go up to 3 years of payment history too also as well. So I do want to welcome you guys to the channel. Right now we have 9 people with us here in the live stream. Thank you so much to the 9 people that are with us here currently. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. I just need to sign this receipt here for some food that we had ordered. And I'm still with you guys. Okay. Oh. Okay. Total tip. There you go, bud. All right, and thank you so much, guys, for joining too also as well here in the live chat. So I want to recognize and say, please, guys, give a warm welcome to Ronald Anderson. Ronald Anderson, thank you so much for joining us today in this live stream chat too also as well. And I also want to thank you to the 9 people who are with us right now, watching and joining us. Everyone, please give a warm welcome to Jose Pina. Jose Pina, thank you so much for joining us in today's live stream too also as well. And also, please, guys, give a warm welcome to Jason Van Hughes. Jason Van Hughes, thank you so much for joining us today in this live stream. As you know, as I always do, I follow along the chat on my cell phone and also on my television here too also as well. So also a special thank you, everyone. Please give a warm welcome to Janelle Leone, who is one of our moderators here in the live chat. Janelle says, hello and welcome to our live video and live chat. Thank you so much for sharing that, Janelle. She's waving right here next to me, as you can see, and she gives thumbs up. And thank you so much for the thumbs up, Janelle. Really appreciate that. Jason Van Hughes says, hey, Lyndon. Hey, Jason, how you doing, buddy? It's always a pleasure talking with you on Facebook Messenger too also as well. And I'm glad to hear, Jason, I think you do want to share with the group the good news that you got, buddy. Do you want to share that? While Jason is thinking about typing that something in the comments, I want to ask that everyone please give a warm welcome to Spence Eccles. Spence Eccles, thank you so much for joining us, buddy. It really is a pleasure. Spence says hello, Will, Lyndon, and Janelle. And everyone, please give a welcome to Ronald Anderson. Ronald Anderson, thank you for joining us. Ronald says, "Hi, how are you doing, Lyndon? I applied for the Amazon store card and I was declined. And they didn't offer me the secured card. I was told that they are not offering it at this moment. So I got a hard pull." Oh my goodness. Wow. Sorry to hear that, Ronald, that you got a hard pull because of that. Well, that's good information to know, and thank you for letting us know that, Ronald, too, also as well, because a lot of us were thinking about applying to that Amazon secured credit card too, also as well. So thank you for sharing that here with us in the group too, also as well. And if you don't mind, if you can share that too in our Facebook credit group, how to get excellent credit. That way, they know, the people there also know that Amazon is no longer offering that particular credit building card too, also as well. So sorry to hear that, Ronald. Also, Jose Pina says, "Hey, Lyndon, happy Sunday." Yes, happy Sunday to you, Jose. Thank you so much for joining us once again, buddy. It really is a pleasure to have you here. Everyone, please give a warm welcome to Pink Lady Barber. Pink Lady Barber, thank you so much for joining us back once again. I really appreciate you, buddy. It really is a pleasure to have you here with us in these live streams. You really add a lot of value to them. Pink Lady says, "Hey, Lyndon. Hey, Janelle. Hi, everybody. Everyone, please give a warm welcome to Pink Lady Barber." Pink Lady says, "Nice job on the beard." Oh, okay. Thank you very much, Pink Lady. Yeah, Janelle was kind of kind of bugging me for a while about shaving, my beard. She wanted me to shave it, so I kind of like, was like hesitating, for a long time now. So, but finally, I did take a little shave this morning, as you can see, and I hope I did a good job on it. But thank you so much for the compliment, Pink Lady. Really appreciate that. Jason says, "Sure, okay." So, guys, Jason Van Hughes had got some good news today. That he shared with me on Facebook Messenger about his credit score, and I believe his credit score went up. Jason, how many points did your credit score go up when you checked it? You want to share that with the group so that they know too, also as well. I have it here on my phone on the Facebook Messenger, but since my phone is on the live chat with you guys, I'm trying to keep track of the comments at the same time. If you don't mind sharing that in the comments, would appreciate that. How many points did your credit score go up? Everyone, please give a warm welcome to Julian Robinson. Julian Robinson, thank you so much for joining us once again, buddy. It really is a pleasure to see you, and thank you for coming back once more. So, everyone, please give a warm welcome to Julian Robinson. Also, please give a warm welcome to Yolanda Cleckley. I hope I pronounced that right. Yolanda, let me know if I didn't. Thank you so much for joining us, Yolanda. It really is a pleasure to see you here with us in these live streams. So thank you so much for joining. Yolanda says hello, everyone. Everyone, please give a warm hello to Yolanda, too, also as well. Janelle Leone says hello to Spence Eccles. And also hello to Ronald Anderson. And hello to Jose Pina. Jason Van Hughes says 30 since June 1st, from 558 to 638. Okay, so you hear that, guys? Jason's credit score went from 558 on June 1st to 638 presently. Okay, so this is a huge accomplishment for Jason. And everyone, please give Jason a big congratulations here in the chat. for increasing his credit score from 558 to 638. That's really a huge accomplishment there. And congratulations to you, Jason. I hope to see you get more credit score increases too, also as well. Yolanda says it's correct. Okay, thank you, Yolanda. I was just wanted to make sure that I was pronouncing your name correctly there. So thank you so much for that. And Janelle says hello to Pink Lady Barber and Jason Van Hughes and Julian Robinson too, also as well. So hello, guys, and thank you for joining. Pink Lady Barber says, "Good job, Jason." Yes, thank you so much for that, Pink Lady. And Janelle says hello to Yolanda too, also as well. So everyone, please congratulate Jason Van Hughes on his credit score increase that he just gotten recently. Okay, so that's huge, guys. When you get your credit score up, by that many amount of points. I believe that's over 50 points, if I'm not mistaken there, and that's a huge, accomplishment there. It can even put someone closer into another credit category, from maybe low credit to fair credit, and et cetera, depending on how high the credit score increase is. Actually, I just received a credit score increase today, and I got a notification from Wallet Hub too, also as well. And I should be getting more notifications from other credit monitoring services that I signed up with too, also. But I will go over that in another video. I plan on making another video today, another live stream today, and talking about my credit score increase that I received. So I'm getting closer to that excellent credit category, really not too far away from it now. I'm predicting that I should be hitting my goal probably before the summer is over, but maybe even before then. So I'm really looking forward to that. Janelle is looking forward to that. And I'm sure you guys are probably looking forward to that too, since I, told you guys about that too, also as well. So, thank you guys for all that you contributing here to our live streams. It really means a lot to the channel too, also as well. And guys, just hit the thumbs up button. It really means a lot to the channel. It really helps it out tremendously with YouTube and everything, and we could get more people to see our live streams too, also as well, and invite more members into our group too, also. And guys, share this video as much as you can in your Facebook and all of your social media networks with all of your friends and your family too, also as well. All of the links to contact me can be found in the bottom of the about section of this channel too, also as well. So you can definitely contact me about whatever question that you have pertaining, to the live streams or becoming a patron to also as well, or about credit, whatever this question is. You just won't feel like talking about credit, that's fine. There's links in the bottom of the about section of this page. You can follow me on Facebook. You can follow me on Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, all of those social media networks. You can email me. There's also a link there to email me there. And I'll also put links to become a patron if you decide to do that too, also as well. That's in the about section. Everyone, say special thank you to Jason Van Hughes. He says, I got my wife's score. Okay, I believe you're talking about her credit score up over 700 points. And yay, congratulations to Jason Van Hughes for getting his wife's credit score over 700. That's a huge accomplishment right there. You just put her into the good credit category there too, which is only 50 points away from the excellent category, which is 750 and above. So that's a huge accomplishment. Congratulations, Jason, again. Jason says he's just working on his now and waiting on these AUs, authorized users, to hit his credit report. So, good luck with that, Jason. I hope those authorized users definitely hit your credit report soon, so that way you can see your credit score go up even more. Okay, because you still have a lot of credit score increases to go, buddy. You know, you're gonna get a lot more. Trust me. There's a lot more coming where that came from. All right, buddy. So I really appreciate that too. Um, Congratulations to you, Jason, on your credit score increase too, also as well. You know, that really means a lot to the group. To know, it gives us a lot of motivation to know this can be done, guys. You know, this is something that's, you know, it's not impossible. You can increase your credit score too, also as well. Janelle Leone says, "Yay, Jason! Glad you got your wife on a roll now. You guys will do good, and you guys are awesome." Yes, you guys are awesome, Jason. So thank you so much for, you know, sharing that with us too, also as well. So we got good news uh, for Jason Van Hughes. Okay, guys. So I wanted to get into today's topic. Today we're going to talk about the Chase 524 rule. Okay, and how it affects you know, your three credit bureau reports, and also, you know, what they include in their decision making process when approving you or denying you for a credit card with Chase. Okay, and what trade lines count, what trade lines do not count, you know, and et cetera, and what Chase credit cards are impacted by the 524 rule. Also, we're going to get into that right now. But first, we want to say a special thank you to all the 12 people that are with us here today in the live stream. I really appreciate you guys, and thank you so much, guys, for joining with us today too, also as well. So I'm going to go ahead and, as usual, I'm going to share my screen with you guys. And after we're done looking at the, you know, what we're going to be discussing for a topic, then I'm going to go ahead and jump back here on camera with you guys again. Too, also as well. Jason Van Hughes says that live stream last night was fantastic. Thank you for that, Jason. Really appreciate that, sir. I listened at work today. Great job. Okay, thank you for that, Jason. Really appreciate that. I hope to buy my first home in November. Yeah, I'm there with you, buddy. You know, Jason, you've been with us for a long time. You're one of the first people who have been with us. So, you know, all of this stuff, you know, you're getting from me is not a problem, buddy. You know, um, because you're, you know, one of the first here, one of the first subscribers and supporters that we have here, you know, so far. So, you know, I'm there to help you with that, buddy. You know, and there's any other questions or, you know, things that you need to know about pertaining to buying that first home of yours in November, just go ahead and let me know. And I also noticed that you changed the date. I think the last time you told me you were planning on buying a home in October. You wanted to buy a home in October. So it's not too bad. I mean, to just push it back 1 month to November, not a problem. Because, you know, if you watched my live stream last night, I did talk in detail about how to get credit ready for buying a home. Okay, and guys, you need to check out that video. It's very important. You never know when you could be thinking about buying a home in the future, or if you know a friend of yours that's a family member who's trying to buy a home in the future, definitely check out that video. And if you need help, further assistance, you know, with getting approved for a mortgage, just let me know. Okay, I can help you to get yourself approved for a mortgage too, also as well. And for the new people, guys, you know, you get all these benefits from becoming a patron, from becoming a patron of this channel and joining our Patreon. Okay. But for the people, our veterans who have been with us, you know, for a while now, like Jason, you know, and like Julian, you know, you guys already have been supporting this channel tremendously too, also as well. So I really appreciate you guys too. Also, Janelle says, "Thank you, Jason. We had worked so hard together to get these info. Yeah, to get the information. I hope and will pray and keep my finger crossed for you and your wife. Yes, we would definitely be praying for you, Jason, too, also as well. And we hope to get you to accomplish that goal, to help you to accomplish that goal, to help you buy that house in November. Okay, buddy. So we're with you all the way. All right. So now I'm gonna go ahead and share this screen. If you guys have any more comments, just go ahead and leave them here in the live chat right here. I will definitely I will answer as much as I can while we are going through the topic too also. And Janelle will also help me, respond to a lot of these comments too and try to answer what we can to also as well. So I'm going to go ahead and share our screen with you guys. Okay. So let's see, make sure I have the settings right. Okay. Okay, so basically, guys, this is going to be our topic. If you can see the screen clearly, just go ahead and type the number one in the comments. Again, if you can see the screen clearly, type the number one inside of the comments. We have right now, guys, we have a new member here in the live chat, and everyone, please give a warm welcome to SC Travel RN. Okay, everyone, please give a warm welcome to SC Travel RN, and thank you so much, SC Travel, and I'm glad you're with us here today. I just want you to know that you are very welcome here. You're always welcome here in our live chats. Thank you so much for joining us, and we hope to see you in many more live streams to come. SC Travel says, new here, just listening. Not a problem. Listen on, buddy. I'm sure you will be able to extract some information, and I hope some of it will be valuable to you too also as well. SC Travel said thanks, and you're very welcome, SC Travel. So everyone, let SC Travel know that SC Travel is very welcome here in our group, and give them a big hello. Okay. Victor Louder, everyone, please give a warm welcome to Victor Louder. Thank you for joining us today, Victor. Once again, he says, hey, Lyndon and Janelle, what have I missed? Well, you haven't really missed anything yet, Victor. We were just getting ready to start the topic. What you did miss from was only a comment from Jason. That Jason Van Hughes, one of our members, he just received a credit score increase. From June 1st, he started with a credit score of 558, and now his credit score is 638 now. And his wife's credit score went up to 700, and he is planning on buying a home in November, and we are working with him to help him buy that home in November too also as well. So I think that's just about the only thing that you have missed so far, Victor. So we were just getting ready to. What'd you say, Janelle? Victor. Uh-huh, Victor. He's not any question. He's from a different name. Oh yeah, I know. So that's all you missed so far. We're just getting ready to get into the topic here. So as you can see the screen, okay. So Ronald Anderson types the number one, and he can see it clearly. Okay, Victor Lauder says, AKA hip to the dip, my trolling account. Okay, I hear you. So is this the Victor that's hip to the dip too also? Yeah. Well, how you doing? Welcome back. If so, welcome back. Once again, Victor, it's a pleasure to have you, buddy. Thank you so much for all of your support in the live streams. And Janelle says that's the only Victor that we know. No, Janelle, I thought there was another Victor too. That's why I said William ahead. Yeah, I don't know, but yeah, if so, if that's you, Victor, hip to the dip, welcome back, buddy. I'm glad to see you here. Okay, Victor says yes. And Janelle says hello and welcome to our new live video at SC Travel RN. And also Keith Shep. Everyone, please welcome back Keith Shep. Thank you so much for joining us once again, Keith Shep. Pleasure to have you back in our live streams once again, Keith Shep. So for you and anyone else who are just coming in right now, only thing you miss is that Jason Van Hughes had a credit score increase, and his score went from 558 to 638 since June 1st until now, and his wife's score is in the 700 range right now, too, also as well. So, give a special congratulations to Victor Van Hughes if you haven't already done so. And also, our last live stream was dedicated to Victor, not Victor, Jason Van Hughes, because for giving us such a, wonderful, for bringing up a comment inside of a live stream that sparked inspiration for our last night's live stream topic, which was getting your credit ready to buy a home. Okay, so that's definitely a video you guys want to check out if you have a friend or family member who are looking to buy a home and you need help with that. You can definitely share some of that information with them and let them know too. Also, that we are here also to help anyone who is trying looking forward to buying a home. Too also as well. Okay, Keith Shep says outstanding, Jason. Yes, Jason really did a good job there. Really appreciate you guys. So as you can see here on the screen, this is from a website called upgradedpoints.com. And the page is / chase -5 -24 rule. And it's getting into the Chase 524 rule. And the topic of the article here is which cards are impacted? Are there exceptions? So it's going to get into more information about this Chase 524 rule. So this is very helpful and useful information to all of us here in our credit building community here, because as building credit, we are looking, towards these types of credit cards in the future for gaining rewards from them and points also as well. So we're going to learn a little bit more about the 524 rule from Chase. And I guess they have a disclosure here. It says we may be compensated when you click on links to card products from our advertising partners such as American Express, Chase City, and Capital One. Opinions on this site are ours alone and have not been reviewed or approved by the issuer. See our advertiser disclosures. Okay, so we won't be clicking on any of those advertising links right now. We're just going to go over the information here in the article and discuss that. So every bank, it says, has rules that credit card applicants should know. And some of those rules even restrict who can open particular cards. Chase has one of the most stringent rules in the industry, known as the Chase 524 rule, which we'll explain to you here. So they're going to get into a little explanation and expound more on this 524 rule. The 524 rule is an internal rule that Chase does not formally publish. The name 524 rule is an informal title given by Chase customers based on crowdsourced information from Chase credit card approvals and denials. Certain application denial letters and conversations with Chase credit analysts suggest this policy, and the 524 name rule name was born. Okay, so that's how the 524 rule came about, guys. It started from customers. Okay, and the customers sort of named this rule, gave it a name. Okay. If you plan on getting a few cards to build a collection that will earn you great miles and points, then you need to know the ins and outs of the Chase 524 rule. Okay, that is true. So, I mean, that way you can get approved for one of their cards. The Chase 524 rule, put simply, Chase will not approve applicants for certain credit cards if the applicant has already opened 5 or more credit card accounts in the last 24 months. This includes not only cards you open at Chase, but also cards you open at any bank that are reported to your personal credit report. Okay, so these cards can be from anywhere. Okay, but as long as they're open and as long as they're on your personal credit report, I should say, they count towards 524 Chase's rule. Now, which cards are impacted by Chase 524? The 524 rule currently impacts applications for the following Chase cards. Disclaimer: this information is based on crowdsourced reports and subject to change. Chase does not officially confirm this list. Okay, so this is not coming from Chase. This is coming from the customers' crowdsourced information from many customers who have experiences applying for Chase credit cards. And either they got approved or they got denied. Chase personal cards that are impacted by 524. So they have the list here is on the left column. And on the right column are Chase small business credit cards that are impacted by 524 rule. Okay. The Chase Sapphire Reserve, Chase Preferred Card, Chase Freedom Unlimited, Chase Slate Card, Marriott Bonvoy Boundless Card, Chase Southwest Rapid Rewards Premier Credit Card, Chase on United Mileage Plus Club Card, United Explorer Card. And the small business credit cards that are impacted are the Inc. Business Preferred Credit Card, Inc. Business Cash Credit Card, Chase Southwest Airlines Rapid Rewards Premier Business Card, Chase United Mileage Plus Club Business Card, United Explorer Business Card. Okay, so these are basically the personal and the business credit cards that are impacted by Chase's 524 rule. Okay, guys. It says starting November 13th, 2018, reports came in of denials for nearly all Chase cards due to 524. The following cards that were previously not subject to 524 are likely now all impacted by 524. Okay, so they added a few cards onto the list because they were not impacted before, but they are impacted now. And so we have only one column here, looks like it. And these are Chase personal cards that are likely impacted by 524 as of November 13th, 2018. The Chase AARP card, the Chase Amazon Rewards Visa card, Chase AER Lingus Visa Signature Credit Card, British Airways Visa Signature Card, Chase Disney Rewards Visa Card, Chase Disney Premier Visa Card, World of Hyatt Credit Card, Chase Iberia Visa Signature Card, IHG Rewards Club Premier Credit Card, IHG Rewards Club Traveler Credit Card. And how does Chase know what accounts I open? Okay. When you submit a new credit card application to Chase, you authorize Chase to access your personal credit report. Chase will pull this report from one of the 3 major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion. Which report is used, however, is typically the same for all applications in the same U.S. state, but it does differ from state to state. Okay. So basically what they're saying here is that Chase may pull from a different credit bureau depending on what state you live in. Okay. So it could be different from someone living in, one state from another. Okay. That's what they're basically saying. So this is the reason why, you may go online and see comments left on forums like FICO forums, Quora, different FICO forums, that people from different states, mention different credit bureaus from where their credit reports were pulled by Chase. Okay. Your credit report, it shows credit card accounts reported by other banks where you have accounts. Each reported account shows an opening date and payment history. Chase reviews this information and other information on your credit report as part of its decision process to approve or deny your application. Okay. And Victor Lauder says, I want the Chase Southwest RR card as I live in Dallas, Texas, home of Southwest Airlines, but I'm over 524. Okay, Victor, that you may have to wait a while for. Okay. Um, and a lot of people have done that too, also as well, because, especially, uh, people who are like, building credit, or were building credit, I should say. People who were building credit in the beginning, say the first 2 years, and they had gotten over five trade lines or five credit cards in that first 24-month period, and that's understandable, guys, because you know. In that time, we're all trying to build up credit here. We're all trying to build credit here during this time period. So, we may be adding on that My Jewelers account, that Chase, Chase Hutton Chase account, that your New Coast Direct account, all those trade lines, and maybe a few secured credit cards too, also as well. So, yeah, it's possible you could be over 524 within that first 2 year period. um, so a lot of people have seen that, after that 524, then they were able to apply to Chase after that 2 year period was over. So Victor says, gotta wait 2 years. Yeah, I hear you, Victor. Gotta wait the 2 years. Me myself too. I'm there with you. I gotta wait 2 years. Well, 2 years too, also to apply. Which of my accounts are included in the 524 count? Chase counts all new accounts it sees on your personal credit card report toward its 524 total. So it's saying here it counts all new accounts. That's what they're saying, all new accounts. Okay. Accounts that may count in the Chase 524. One, new personal credit cards that you open at any bank, even if you later close these accounts, they still are counted. Okay. So they're saying that you can't just, think that, well, okay, I'm just going to close an account. Maybe I have 7 accounts open. I'll just close 2, and then I'll close 3, and then I'll give me 4, and I'll be under 524. That's not how it works. It'll still show up there. Everyone, please give a warm welcome to Save Like a Pro with Leah. Thank you so much to Leah for joining us once again. I haven't seen you in a while, but it's great to have you here with us this Sunday. Happy Sunday. And Leah says, hi, how are you? I'm doing fine, Leah. I hope you're doing fine as well. Everyone, Leah has her own YouTube channel. It's called Save Like a Pro with Leah. So if you're interested in finding out information about finance, which she talks about different aspects of finance, go ahead and click on her name and then click on go to channel, subscribe to her channel, and hit bell for notifications. That way you would also always see her videos that she puts out as she makes them. I'm also subscribed to her channel too, also as well. And I'm still waiting for a new video from you, Leah. So I love your videos, great content, very useful information. Thank you so much for joining us, Leah, too, also. Victor says, I didn't know of the rule until I was already over 524. I hear you. A lot of us did not know about that rule either. Like me, myself, I didn't know about it either until I was over 524. I mean, I have 19 accounts right now on my credit profile, and I've only been building credit, started building credit since October. Okay, so that tells you right there, 19 accounts in the first year um, of building credit. So I pretty much did it for a credit score of over 700 to get me to closer to an excellent credit score of over 750. But I'm in my first 2 years building credit right now. So when that 2 year period is up, no. Hopefully, I look forward to possibly applying to a Chase credit card. Janelle says, "Hi, I Save Like a Pro with Leah. Been a while since we've seen you on here. Good to have you back on here. Yes, definitely. Good to have Leah on here. Thank you so much. And guys, please give a warm welcome to Leah. So these are accounts that may count in the Chase 524. New personal credit cards that you open at any bank, even if you later close these accounts. So we covered that. Retail credit cards that you open, these are credit cards too. Yes, they are. Okay, they're all credit cards. Okay, the My Jewelers account, that's a credit card. It's not a Visa or a MasterCard where you can shop at other places with it, but you can shop only at the My Jewelers Club. But it is a credit card. Hudson Chase, it is a credit card. Okay. New Coast Direct, it is a credit card. Horizon Gold, it is a credit card. Okay. All of these trade lines, these primary trade lines, they are credit cards. All right. They are revolving credit. If you are added as an authorized user to someone else's credit card account, okay. So keep in mind of that, guys. Some of you guys are adding on authorized users or being added as authorized users to a credit card. So just want to keep in mind that, don't go out. If you have 5 authorized users reporting to your credit bureau report every month, do not go out and apply for a Chase credit card. Okay. Especially if it's within the last 24 months. Okay. Because you will be denied. You will get a hard inquiry, and that nobody really wants that. Hard inquiries can ding your credit score between 3 to 5 points for each hard inquiry. Okay. I know hard inquiries only account for 10% of your score, but still they matter just as much as the credit mix matters, and that's only 10% of your credit score. But every little bit, it adds up. Okay, and can make a huge difference. All right. So what's 10% of a full credit score, which is 850, 85 points, right? Okay. So these things, they mean a lot. They may seem small and minute, but they really do mean a lot. Okay. Business cards. Business cards from Capital One, Discover, and certain other banks. The good news is most business credit cards do not count against you under the 524 rule. Okay, so we want to emphasis on these two words: do not. Okay, and most. I guess that's why they are capitalized here in this article, to put emphasis on those 3 words. That most do not. Most business credit cards do not count against you for that 524 rule. Okay. They're saying most because some of them do count against you in that 524 rule. Alrighty. Now, removing an authorized user. If you are added as an authorized user to someone else's account, this will be reported to the credit bureaus, the 3 major credit bureaus. Chase doesn't distinguish between an account in your name, where you are the primary user, and authorized user account. So they don't distinguish between the two. They don't look at your credit report, in other words, and say, well, okay, My Jewelers is his primary account, and this authorized user from American Express is not his primary account. So we won't count the American Express against his 524. What they're going to do, they're going to count the My Jewelers, that's one account, and they're also going to count the authorized user. Now, that's 2 accounts. Okay. I just want to clarify that. Victor says, I recently had a hard inquiry from Citi. It only reported to Experian, not to TransUnion or Equifax. Okay, Victor. And a lot of times, Victor, that is because some creditors only report to one credit bureau. Uh, some creditors also only do the hard pull from one credit bureau. So whereas one particular bank may pull your TransUnion, one may pull only Equifax, or one may pull only Experian. Okay, so you definitely want to do your homework about this. If you are trying to apply for credit, you want to definitely either call that creditor and ask them what credit bureau are they pulling from, and make sure you let them know what state you live in too as well, because the state you live in, it plays a role and determines which credit bureau they're going to pull from, of course, you know. So you definitely want to know that valuable information too also as well. Okay, so regarding City, Victor, Janelle had just contributed something she found. It says, which credit score do you need to get a Citibank credit card? Credit bureaus in theory report the balance on your Citi credit card as soon as it's received. The problem is not all issuers report your activity positive or negative to credit bureaus. Those that do may not report to all three of the major credit bureaus. Okay, that's an article from Wallet Hub. Okay. All right. So sorry you got that hard inquiries though, Victor. That's really rough there. You know, sometimes, we're learning, a lot of us learn from experience, experience. Um, and some of us do learn from other people's mistakes too also as well. And some of us do learn from, teaching. So what? Okay, Janelle just pulled up more of this article. What credit score does Citi use? Shadow banker, account manager. Citi uses all three major credit bureaus. Okay, so wow, they use Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Citi tends to use at least two of the three credit bureaus when it reviews credit card applications, according to reports from card holders. And so that's from the article, What Credit Bureau Does Citi Use? So basically, they're saying here Citi uses at least two of the three credit bureaus when it reviews credit card applications. Okay. So they definitely can check more than one. It's possible. It's possible they can check more than one credit bureau. Whether or not that could be more than one hard inquiry, that you would have to look on your credit report and see which hard inquiry did they give you. Did they give you one for, more than one credit bureau, Victor, or did they give you just one hard inquiry from one credit bureau? The good news is that with a little bit of work, you can erase an authorized user account from your credit report. And here's how to do that. I mean, that's if you want to do that, but I don't recommend you doing that if you're in the process of building credit. Only like, say, if you have too many authorized users, and say right now your average credit history of your accounts is, say, like 1 year, and you have a bunch of authorized users there that are less than 3 months old, or maybe less than 4 months old, or something like that, and it really does not affect your average age of accounts. But that you want to determine on your own. See, what you want to do is you want to calculate your age of accounts. That's what you want to do first before you decide to, remove any authorized users that you don't need. Okay. Um, you want to calculate your age of accounts first, your average age of accounts. You want to calculate that first. And the way you calculate that, guys, is by you look and see the average age of each and every single one of your accounts that's on your credit report. Okay. Then you add them all up, all the ages. Okay. Then you find out how many accounts you have. And then you do just a simple division. Okay. And you get an average age. Okay. So you take that total age of your accounts from all of your accounts you have open, and you divide that by the number of accounts that you have reporting to your credit bureau. Victor says, uh, okay, that you think you said your score only dropped 1 point. You're good. Oh, okay. Good, good. Okay, good. Well, I'm glad it wasn't more than that. 1 point, give or take. Your score can go back up by, um, just regular payments, positive payment history from month to month. Okay, so Victor says one inquiry from Experian only. No effects to TransUnion or Equifax. In fact, TransUnion went up by 2 points last week. Awesome, awesome, Victor. I'm glad to hear that your TransUnion went up last week. Okay, awesome. So everyone, please give a congratulations to Victor for his TransUnion going up 2 points last week. I know it's not a whole lot, but still, it is something. And it does mean a lot too, also as well, because we're getting closer and closer to the next level. Janelle says, "Awesome, Victor. Keep up the good work." Yes, Victor, keep it up. You're doing really good. Okay. Right now we have 10 people with us here in the live chat. I want to say a warm welcome to all the 10 people who are here with us today. Thank you for joining. Signing up for Chase credit cards after five. Oh, okay. We didn't finish this one here. Have the primary user contact their bank and remove you as an authorized user. Okay, that's only if you decide to do that. If you have unnecessary extra authorized users that are not helping your credit score. Okay. Two, contact the three credit bureaus to remove the authorized user account from your report: Equifax, Experian, TransUnion. You need to contact all three bureaus because you can't be sure which bureau Chase will use for your application. So you need to contact all three bureaus because, like I said, you don't know which bureau that Chase is going to use. Okay. They can just use any one of those. Signing up for Chase credit cards after 5/24. Okay, so if you've hit 5/24 and you are looking to sign up for a new Chase credit card, there are several approaches to take. One, sign up for other Chase cards. Okay, we're talking about after 5/24 here. There are plenty of Chase cards that are not impacted by the 5/24 rule listed above. And those are the ones that are on the list up there. You have several co-branded options, including the IHG Rewards, a Club Premier credit card, and the British Airways Visa signature card. Okay, so they're talking about Chase cards that are not affected. They're not impacted by this 5/24 rule. So I'm wondering if they're meaning that basically you can have more than 5/24 and still qualify. That I don't know. Okay. Two, in-branch pre-approvals. As much as we all love the internet, do you know you can still sign up for a credit card in person? You will sometimes find that you are pre-approved for a Chase card if you visit a bank branch and speak with a banker. Okay, so that's good to know. You can also apply in person. Targeted mailers. Number three, sometimes you will be sent physical offers in the mail, which you can then either complete by visiting a Chase branch or going online to finish your application. Okay, so it's possible if you meet the requirements to the Chase 524, you could start receiving Chase offers in the mail. Okay, like maybe pre-approvals or other offers, pre-qualifies. Number four, no longer working. Your offers. On your Chase Ultimate Rewards account under your offers, you might find a card offer under selected for you. As of March 16th, 2018, note that these offers no longer bypass the 524 rule. Okay, so these special offers that you may receive, these no longer bypass that 524 rule. Final thoughts. The Chase 524 rule has shaken up how miles and points enthusiasts decide what credit cards to open. Many people who are new to earning credit card points have made earning Chase Ultimate Rewards a priority ahead of applying for credit cards from other banks. For those who are already beyond 524, it's a frustrating time to want some of these cards. Yes, it is because I can tell you guys, I'm just looking at every time I look at the Chase Freedom card, I just want to grab it. Or the Chase Sapphire, I just want to grab it, but I can't because I'm over 524. So that is frustrating. Okay. So yeah, that's exactly what they talked about here. The Chase Sapphire here. Oops, I clicked on it and didn't mean to do that. Sorry about that, guys. Let's hit the back button and go back. Okay. There we are. Hopefully, Chase rethinks this rule at some point. Until then, we'll keep an eye out for any changes and let you know. Okay, here's some frequently asked questions. What is the Chase 524 rule? Actually, I was talking to a guy today. Actually, he was promoting uh, building business credit, and he did not know what the Chase 524 rule was. So that was found that quite interesting. This rule refers to a restriction that Chase places on credit card applicants. If you have opened 5 cards in the last 24 months, Chase will not approve you for many of their products, which is true. Are charge cards included in the count of 5? Yes. Personal charge cards issued by American Express will be counted. If I'm an authorized user on someone else's account, will that count toward my 524? Answer is yes. However, you can have this authorized user account removed from your personal credit report by contacting the issuing bank. Okay, so that's another way to have it removed by contacting the bank that reports you as an authorized user to the credit bureau. I'm exactly at 524, but not above the limit. Can I still get a card impacted by this rule? No. Answer is no. Okay, so this is someone who is exactly 524, but they're not above the limit. Can they still get a card? No. At this point, you are restricted by Chase until your time has passed. So basically, they still have to do their 2 years. All right. And the author here that wrote this is Alex Miller. It says he's been traveling for over 25 years from a young age, lucky enough to set out on numerous family trips all over the world, which gave him the travel bug. Alex has since earned millions of travel points and miles, mainly through maximizing credit card sign-up bonuses and taking every opportunity to earn the most points possible on each dollar spent. Ron Ronald Anderson says, "What about Chase secured credit card?" Yes, they all count from what they're saying. If it's a credit card that's in your name, and it's a reporting, it's a primary or authorized user, it counts under the Chase 524 rule. Okay, because if I remember here, what is the Chase 524 rule? If you have opened 5 cards in the last 24 months, Chase will not approve you for many of their products. Okay, and some of the exceptions that were mentioned here are some of the business credit cards that Chase offers. Okay, so this is a really detailed topic here. And for further information about this, you can definitely contact Chase if you're thinking about applying to Chase, and you can find out more about their exceptions. But for right now, from what I see here from this article, the exceptions are some business cards, but not all. Okay, because most of the business cards that Chase has to offer uh, are impacted by the 524 rule. Okay, um, so they we know from this article that authorized users count, charge cards count, all these primary trade lines, they count because why? Because they're credit cards too. Okay, my jewelers counts. Why? Because it's a credit card. It's a revolving credit. It's a credit card. What else counts? Hutton Chase counts. What else counts? New Coast Direct counts. Okay. All of these count. Everyone, please give a warm welcome to Point Transportation LLC, or Cornell, better known as Cornell. Thank you so much for joining us, Cornell. Long time no see. But I do appreciate that you're here with us, buddy. Glad to have you back once again, and you really haven't missed. Let me see. If you're just coming in just now, joining us, basically we went over this article that's here on the screen. I'll just scroll up to the top of it so you can know. Um, it's talking about the Chase 2524 rule. Okay, and which cards are impacted by it, and are there exceptions to the rule? So basically, when they're talking about cards that are impacted by the rule, they're basically talking about these chase cards that are impacted. So if you're applying for certain chase cards, they will be impacted by this 524 rule. Okay, and some of them are not impacted. Okay, and we also, went over here in the article what this rule covers, and basically is covering credit cards that we found out. Credit cards, it could be retail cards, it could be charge cards. They all fall under the category of credit cards. Revolving credit falls into the same category as credit cards. Primary trade lines in your name also fall under the category of credit cards because it's revolving credit. It's a revolving credit account. Um, Authorized users also fall under that category too, and are impacted by the 524 rule because they see Chase sees an authorized user as an account that's open. And so basically, if someone has 5 authorized users within a 24-year period, then they do not qualify for a Chase card. They will be denied. Cornell says, okay, I'm familiar with that crazy rule. I know it's always crazy. I mean, Chase is crazy. That's what I think. But I mean, they got some great credit cards I would love to have right now, but they are crazy for sure. Chase wants to be a first choice option. I believe so, Cornell. I believe so. From looking at this 524 rule and all that, I mean, they want to be a first choice option, pretty much. Um, that's you hit it. You hit the nail right on the head there, Cornell, with that one. Because that's what they want. That's what they want to do. Basically, they want to come first. They want to be the first credit cards that you get. That's I think that's the whole strategy of their marketing. Everyone, please give a warm welcome to Dead Mouse. Dead Mouse, thank you so much for joining us. And once again, welcome back. Dead Mouse says, Lyndon was, what's up, champ? Hello, Janelle. Flexes. I like that. I like the flexes. Keep it coming. Yes, for sure, Dead Mouse. I'm not sure if you're just joining us now or recently, or if you've been with, watching from the beginning of this live stream. But in case you missed anything, all we did was we went over a few things about the Chase 524 rule. We also got one of our members had just gotten a credit score increase from June 1st. He started with 558 credit score, and now his credit score is 638. So we wanted everyone to give say congratulations to Jason Van Hughes for that, doing a great job on his credit score and increasing that to also as well. And he got his wife's credit score into the 700s. So now his wife is in a good credit category. And we all saying congratulations to Jason Van Hughes for that. So too, also we went over the Chase 524 rule, and basically, they're talking about here in the article that's on the screen, which cards are impacted, basically, and are there exceptions to this rule? And we found that um, the cards that are impacted are basically credit cards. Okay, credit cards are impacted, except some of the Chase's business cards are not impacted. Okay, but not all of them. Pink Lady Barber says, I just tried to pre qualify for the Chase cards, but they said that they don't have any offers they can show me at this time, and I may need to opt in. I can't. I'm still in credit repair. Okay, I got you there, Pink Lady Barber. Yeah, um, some credit repair, specialists, they suggest that you don't get any hard inquiries while they're fixing your credit. Okay, they also suggest that you do not try to go on your own and dispute on your own, because when you're disputing on your own and they're trying to dispute at the same time, information can get confused. Okay, so that's why some credit repair specialists they frown on that. Dead Mouse says, I just joined in. Congratulations. Yes, congratulations, Jason, for that awesome credit score increase. So with Pink Lady Barber, yeah, sometimes that may happen. So I'm assuming, Pink Lady, that you're not over that 524 rule. You're not even at the 524 rule yet. Am I right? Like, how many credit cards or trade lines or authorized users do you have total altogether? Dead Mouse says, my favorite cards are American Express, Blue Cash, and Discover. I don't think I'll be getting any other cards, but I don't know yet. Okay, I gotcha, Dead Mouse. Yeah, definitely. Those are some great cards. Discover It. You've got cash back coming from that one, as far as I know. And the American Express Blue Cash, I believe, doesn't that card give like 6% cash back on groceries or something like that? Is that right, or is that another card that I'm thinking of? Dead Mouse says, double, don't double dispute. It will take them longer to get back to you. Yeah, yeah, definitely. It will definitely take the investigation longer because it can get tied up. Because say if you dispute first, okay, and then your credit repair, not knowing that you disputed, goes behind you and puts in a dispute. The credit bureau can say, well, you can't they can stop them from disputing until they resolve your dispute first. Okay. So yeah, that can hold things up a little longer. So it's not a good idea to double dispute. Even like with some of the credit repair companies that I have worked with before, um, I always tried not to do that. I tried not to double dispute because I found that one time I did do that. I think I did do that before actually, and it was not nice because the credit bureau was basically putting my credit repair company's dispute on hold. They were putting them on hold because they were saying that they needed to resolve my dispute first before they can do the dispute that they started. So basically, you can see, these investigations from the credit bureau can take about 45 days, I believe. So I mean, that can be a long time when you double dispute when they have to finish one dispute first before they go on move on to the next dispute, and you done doubled, and that's not a good thing. Pink Lady Barber says, I have 3 cards and a card loan. Yeah, so I don't understand why they don't have any offers for you there, Pink Lady Barber. That's kind of unusual, that they don't have any offers for you. I'm really not sure why they don't. I mean, it doesn't make any sense to me. Janelle says it doesn't make any sense to her either. So I think what I would do if I was you, Pink Lady, I think I would first of all, if you have a Chase branch in your area, I would consider maybe going down to that Chase branch, speaking with a banker, and seeing if it's possible that you could get pre approved. Okay, because from what they're saying here in this article, let me see if I can scroll down the screen and find that part of the article that they're talking about. Scroll down a little here. Okay, here it is. In branch pre approvals. So, it says, as much as we all love the internet, did you know you can still sign up for a credit card in person? You will sometimes find that you are pre approved for a Chase card if you visit a bank branch and speak with a banker. So, Pink Lady, it may be possible you can even go down to your local Chase branch if you have one in your state and ask for a pre-approval. See if you can fill out the pre-approval inside the bank's branch. Okay, so that may help a little. If it doesn't, then I explain to them too also your situation and tell them what you told us, that you have 3 cards and a car loan. And I mean, that's all you have on your credit report, reporting to your bureaus every month. Okay. So that's 3 cards. So that's 3 plus a car loan. I don't not sure if they're gonna count the car loan as an account. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. But I know they do count the credit cards. So even if they do count the car loan, Pink Lady, that would leave you at 4 accounts. Okay. Um, and if that's all you have within the last 24 months, then I mean, you should have some type of offer, be able to qualify. So I would mention that to your banker there at the Chase branch and see if they can offer you some type of offer there. Okay. Janelle just mentioned something here pertaining to a question that I had about the American Express Blue Cash Card. Um, the best. This article. What's the article from? This is articles from the Points Guy. The name of the article is "The Best Credit Cards for Groceries of 2019" by the Points Guy. Says the 6 best credit cards for groceries, earning rate on groceries, and total value per dollar spent. Those are the 2 categories that they're analyzing. And one is the Blue Cash Preferred Card from American Express. The earning rate is 6% cash back up to $6,000 per year at U.S. supermarkets, then 1%. Terms apply. Total value per dollar spent, 6 cents. Target Red Card is also on the list of the 6 best credit cards for groceries. And that is a 5% savings on qualifying purchases at Targets. And total value per dollar spent is 5 cents. And that was from May 22nd of this year. Thank you so much for sharing that with us, Janelle. Okay, so I believe that is the Blue Cash does offer the 6% cash back on groceries. So I mean, I'm looking forward to applying for American Express Blue, but I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait a while actually, because right now my credit is marinating. Okay, it's marinating right now because I just got a few credit score increases. Um, I just got one today actually. Just got notification from Wallet Hub, and I'm sure other credit monitoring services are going to follow, giving me alerts on my credit score going up. So I will go over that. What I'm going to do is make another live stream today. Just letting you guys know that too, also as well. And I'm just going to talk about. I don't know exactly what time. Janelle was asking me when, but I don't know exactly what time because I'm going to eat. Because we did order some Domino's pizza. So me and Janelle are going to finish eating our pizza and wings and sandwich and all of this stuff, and then I will be doing another video about my credit score increases and the good news that I just got today. So I don't want to spoil the surprise to you guys by telling you about it now. Okay. I mean, I'm not going to tell you how much the credit score increase was. In other words. Okay. So see if I missed any comments here. Dead Mouse says, anyone have credit repair? Leave a comment on my channel. I'll get back to you. Yes, Dead Mouse also does credit repair. So guys, if you're looking for a specialist to do credit repair for you, he is someone that does it. And also he has his own YouTube channel, guys. Go ahead and click on his name, Dead Mouse, and click on go to channel. And click on the bell for notifications. That way you will not miss any videos as he make them too as well. He shares a lot of great valuable information about credit repair and how to dispute items off of your credit report, how to get them removed, strategies that you can use. So all of this is very valuable information. Okay. Point-to-point transportation. Cornell says, I'm going to have to wait, but that's okay because it gives me time for some hard inquiries to fall off of my report. Yeah, that's definitely a wise choice, Cornell. And that's the reason why I'm not applying for the Amex Blue or any of the Amex products right now, because I do know from customers that have had and has the American Express, some of the many American Express cards right now, and they've told me that American Express is more lenient as far as with hard inquiries. But I don't want to take the chance. So I'm still going to wait, and I'm not going to open up any more new accounts, and I'm gonna make that commitment to myself. And I'm gonna make sure I don't open up any other. I don't care how good that credit card offer is. I don't care. They give they could be giving 200% cash back. I'm not applying because I know a lot of these credit cards are not going anywhere. They're not. They're really still gonna be out there. When I do, get my credit score up to where I want it to be, they're still going to be there. A lot of them not going anywhere. Okay, yes, it's true. Yes, the Amazon secured card did go away, from what I'm hearing from a lot of people. The offer is no longer being offered from Amazon for the secured credit card credit builder. But that doesn't mean that all of these great offers are going to go away. The Chase Freedom is still going to be there. The Chase Sapphire is still going to be there. Maybe the Amex Blue may still be there. The Delta Sky Miles will still be there. I'm sure a lot of them will still be there. So I'm in no rush to apply for any of those right now. I'm going to continue marinating my credit. As Dwayne from How to Build Credit TV says, he's in. I'm in the garden. I'm in the garden. Victor says, back in 2002, I paid a company $550 to repair my credit. It took about 6 months, but score went from the low 500s to the 700s. Okay, awesome. That's congratulations, Victor. Or what credit repair company was that, may I ask? I'm just curious because I'm sure a lot of us here in the chat wants to know. And also, people, I did. You guys probably already know about this, but for some of you who don't, I did make a video, and it's here on our YouTube channel, How to Get an 800 Credit Score. The name of the video is Qualities of a Good Credit Repair Service. You guys can check out that video. And in the side of that video, I talk about my experiences with the credit repair companies that I have signed up with. Which ones were successful in removing or deleting negative items off of my credit report, such as collections and delinquent accounts, and which ones were not successful with deleting anything, which ones were gave no results at all, et cetera, et cetera. Which ones I felt had the best customer service, and it goes on and on and on. I talk about my experience there. Okay, and some disappointment that had happened to me concerning one particular credit repair service company that I dealt with too also as well. I don't want to give you the whole video because then you're not going to want to watch the video then if I give you all the information. So go ahead and watch that video, Qualities of a Good Credit Repair Service. Okay. Victor says, I have the American Express Blue Cash Preferred Card. I get 6% cash back on groceries. I love it. I'm sure you do, Victor. It sounds like a great card to have. Cornell, point-to-point transportation sales. I have the Amex Gold. I think I was approved by being an AU with Dwayne. That's possible. Very, very possible. I also have American Express Blue Business After. Okay, so that's another thing, guys, about their authorized users. They do build a relationship with that creditor. Okay. And especially American Express. If you're an authorized user on someone's American Express card, then it does definitely build a relationship with American Express. Okay. So that's one thing that is great to know. Pink Lady Barber says to Victor, okay, when she applies the Amex, that's one of the cards that I want. Yeah, Pink Lady, I don't think you have any problem getting American Express. Chase, however, may be a little more difficult to get. But I have a feeling American Express is a lot easier to qualify for than Chase is. Because Chase is going through, Chase has been going through so many different changes, especially this year. Also, they changed their terms and conditions. um, to say that um, they want you to opt out of your rights to court, to pursue them in court if they mess up, if they screw up. And I also made a video here on this channel called Big Changes Coming to Chase. You want to check out that video here. It's on this channel too, also as well. Okay. And Chase, Chase, they closed down um, a buddy of mine's account. And I had an authorized user with him on one of his Chase cards too. And I felt so bad, they did that to him, after he's been a customer of theirs, a faithful, loyal customer of theirs for so long, and they just decided to close down his credit card one day, his account. Um, so Chase has been really tripping. I should say that word. Chase has been tripping a lot this year, for sure. I think since that 524 rule, I mean, so many changes coming, from Chase. It's just ridiculous, you know. Just to think about that too. That they're trying to like take away your rights too. Right to pursue them in court. That's a constitutionally protected right that we have, and that's not cool. That's not cool. Okay. Victor Louder says that company is long gone, but they did what they said they would do for me. Awesome. That's awesome, Victor. That they did live up to their promises that they made with you. And they did, get a lot of work done for you and help you increase your credit score. So that's great. That's awesome, because some companies, they don't do that. I mean, and just keep in mind, guys, that there's really no guarantee. As far as with credit repair, it's hard to guarantee this stuff. You know, so the credit repair company is talking about they're gonna guarantee that they're gonna remove everything off your file and all that. I would be leery of them because just because some people have success with a credit repair company doesn't mean that you're going to go to that same credit repair company and they're going to have success with your file. Okay, your file may be a much difficult file than the last person. They may have gotten items removed from the last person's credit report, but they may not be able to remove anything from yours. And you can see the results. Month after month, when you're getting these letters coming to your house from the credit bureaus and they're saying, this, here's the results, and you're reading the results and they're saying accounts verified, every month, account verified. And, credit repair specialists is like saying, oh, just have patience. But a lot of this does require patience, though, however, because, some of these items on your credit report does take time. Okay, I was just talking to one of our subscribers on Facebook actually the other day, and he was telling me how he just got an item removed, 26% removed, negative items removed from his credit report, and he waited almost a year with this other company that he signed up with. Okay, so some of it does require patience, especially when you're talking about or dealing with credit repair. So Cornell says Chase is being hardballing people. They've been hardballing people. I think they'll be close to breaking the law. I think so too, because they're getting pretty close and they're dealing with, legally taking away people's rights legally. That's kind of the magic word there, legally. I don't know how far they're going to go. Are they actually going to break the law? I don't know. But they're getting pretty close. Cornell says, I think they'll be close to breaking the law. I'm thinking consumer rights will be violated. We'll see. It's possible. It's possible, but for a big bank like Chase, I would think they should have some great lawyers backing them. And these lawyers are, if they don't know what they're doing, then they should fire these guys. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, put some people up there that know what they're doing, you know, that know the law, you know. But I guess the ones that they have know how to get them around the loopholes in the law. So I guess it is what it is. Right now, we have 16 people with us here in the live stream. I want to say thank you so much to the 16 people that have joined us today. Thank you for making this such a pleasurable uh, live live streaming experience for all of us here as a group. We have learned so much from each other, too, also as well. And I'm going to jump back on the camera screen with you guys here. So I'm going to put my webcam back on for you guys here. And if you can see me clearly on the camera, just type the number 1 here in the comments. If you can see me clearly on the camera, go ahead and type the number 1 inside of the comments. So as a tradition, we're going to go ahead and recognize everyone who have joined us here in the live stream today. Dead Mouse says number 1. Thank you so much for sharing that. Janelle Leone says number 1, 1111111. Thank you so much for that, Janelle. And also, if you have not already, or you've just been watching for a while, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It is a big red button. It can be found in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. And it says subscribe here. Click on it and click the bell for notifications. That way you will never miss a single video as we make them. Point to Point Transportation LLC says number 1. Ronald says, I was looking for your video on DCU Federal Credit Union and maybe I had the wrong title. So can you tell me which video that title it is? Yes, Ronald. That one, you want to go to playlists. Okay, go to playlists and check under credit builder loans. Yeah, credit builder loans. Okay, and I believe there's 2 videos there, and one of them talks about DCU Federal Credit Union. Okay, so yeah, you want to go ahead and click on that. You can see the video there. If that's not the right video, then let me know after you've gone there, and I will definitely find a video for you for sure. Okay. But we did make a video about the DCU credit builder loan. Made that one actually before we made the other video comparing all the different credit builder loans too also as well. The only video we did not make yet is about a credit builder loan called Credit Strong. Okay, I wanted to make one about that, but they're very similar to Self Lender. Is only a few differences to where the Credit Strong installment loan, it builds interest. You get paid interest from that installment loan. Okay, whereas a Self Lender, you do not get paid any interest at all. Okay, also Self Lender, the highest loan amount is $1,700. Credit Strong, their highest loan amount is $2,000. Okay, so there are a few differences there and similarities too also as well. But they all report to all of the major credit bureaus every month. They both build credit the same, and they increase your credit score too also as well. Ronald Anderson types the number 1 here in the comments. Thank you so much for that, Ronald. So also as well. So we ask everyone, please go ahead and join our Facebook credit group. It's called How to Get Excellent Credit. There you can share as much as you like or as little as you like about your credit experiences or anything about any topic about credit. Okay. And it's easy. Just do a search in the Facebook search bar for how to get excellent credit. Click on join the group, and you'll be a brand new member. And I want to say welcome, 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 welcome. Also, you can like our Facebook page. It's called How to Get an 800 Credit Score. Too, also as well, that can be found on Facebook. A lot of valuable information there. So if you missed any video here on YouTube, I do put out those videos later on the Facebook page. A few days later, could be a week or week and a half later. Later, because I want to encourage people to join the YouTube channel. Pink Lady Barber says, I only have one item left on my Equifax report, and that's it. I think most of the credit unions use Equifax. Uh, Guys, when I'm done, I'm going to try for a personal line of credit with my local credit union. Okay, awesome, awesome. That's awesome there, Pink Lady Barber. I'm sure that personal line of credit will definitely help you out a lot. Okay. Ronald Anderson says, okay. Victor says, you shaved. The beard was awesome. I'm glad you think that, Victor. No, Janelle was on me hard for shaving for a while, and I just didn't do it for a while. I had so many excuses of why I didn't want to shave, but I got myself up to doing it today, actually. So, all right. But thank you for saying the beard was awesome there, Victor. Okay. Appreciate that. And also, guys, the link to become a patron to this YouTube channel can be found at the bottom of this video inside of the description, and also at the bottom of the about section of this channel too, also as well. Um, Becoming a Patreon helps us support the channel tremendously. It helps us to make better videos, produce better videos and content for all of you guys, so you can have a better viewing experience here on how to get an 800 credit score. So also as well. So you want to go ahead and click on the Patreon link and check out our Patreon tiers, two tiers that we have currently right now. And, if you're interested, go ahead and join our Patreon. And thank you so much to all of the people who have sent super chats in our previous live streams. I really appreciate, Janelle really appreciates the super chats also too as well, because they really go a long way to help out the channel too also. Ronald Anderson says, does Credit Strong allow you to make payments like self-lender? Or do you have to have the money already set aside? Well, I believe Credit Strong is the same. It's the same program as same type of program as Self Lender, to where you don't need any security deposit with Self Lender. It would be helpful to you, though, however, to have the money set aside. That would be helpful. Just like if you were doing the Self Lender, it would be helpful with Self Lender too, because then that way, for example, you could set aside $1,000, okay, and then you can apply for a self lender, and then you could put the $1,000 into a special bank account for only that account, for only the Credit Strong or only the self lender, for example, and you could set it up for auto pay and have the payments sent out every month from the account. Okay. So that's one way you can set aside the money, but it's optional. You do not have to set aside that money. It's not no requirement for you to make any deposits. It's not a secured loan. Okay. Secured loans are different, to where you have to, secure that loan with some type of deposit that they require. With this, they don't require any deposit. You just sign up, they approve you. You start making the payments every month, and they report to your credit bureaus every month. And when the term of the loan is completed or finished, then on that day, you can receive the total amount of all the payments that you have been paying, minus the interest, okay, that they charge on the loan. Plus, you will also receive the interest that they pay you for the money that you've been sending in. So the interest, it does accumulate. You do get paid interest with the Credit Strong account, not the self lender. You don't get paid any interest with the self lender, but you do get paid interest by using the Credit Strong account. All righty. And sorry, guys, that I have not made a video about Credit Strong yet. Um, I was wondering, you guys think that's a good idea? Should I make a video about another credit builder loan, Credit Strong? Because I know a lot of people are not too familiar with Credit Strong. Almost everyone talks about self lender, but not too many people even know about Credit Strong or discuss Credit Strong. So let me know, guys, in the comments if you feel I should make a video about Credit Strong. Oh, Coin Alley. Everyone, please give a warm welcome to Coin Alley. Coin Alley, thank you so much for joining us. It's really a pleasure. Welcome back, buddy. We haven't seen you in a while. Coin Alley says hello. Hello, Coin Alley. Let's see. Janelle says it was awesome, but it was time for Lyndon to shave. I love it. Oh, okay. Yeah, I shaved. Okay. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for sharing. Just writing Coin Alley's name down here because we're getting ready to recognize everyone who have contributed and who have shared too also in today's live stream with us. So thank you so much, guys. Ronald Anderson says, okay. Uh, Cornell from Point to Point Transportation LLC says, I've never heard of Credit Strong. Make a video. Okay, so Cornell says I should make a video. Anyone else feels like I should make a video about Credit Strong? Let me know in the comments. If you think it's a good idea, let me know in the comments if you think I should make a video about Credit Strong. Okay, so guys, thank you so much to the 17 people that are with us here today in the live stream. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much, guys, for coming. It really makes a difference and contributes a lot to our community too also as well. Janelle Leone says, hi, Coin Alley, long time. Pink Lady Barber says, sure. Okay, thank you so much for sharing that, Pink Lady Barber. So another one thinks I should make a video about Credit Strong. Okay, awesome. The Coin Alley says, I just came in. What is Credit Strong? Okay, so Credit Strong is another self-lender, pretty much. Okay. So since I'm getting people that says I should make a video about it, then and some people who never heard of it, then I'm gonna go ahead and make a video about Credit Strong. All right. I've never seen anyone make a video about Credit Strong on YouTube, and I watch many YouTube channels, about credit and credit repair, credit building. No one has mentioned Credit Strong that I've seen. It's possible someone may have mentioned it, but no one that I've seen from the channels that I watch have mentioned it. Janelle says yes, it has. Oh, okay, that's Cornelli. Okay. Ronald Anderson says yes. Okay, so there's another one says I should make a video about Credit Strong. Okay, guys, so there it is. It's been decided. I'm going to make a video about Credit Strong. It's going to be a live stream, and it's going to be a topic we're going to discuss, go over Credit Strong and everything that they have to offer us when we build credit repair. Okay, guys. So right now I'm gonna recognize everyone who have joined us and contributed to also as well to the live stream today. And I do want all of you guys to know that I really appreciate all of you to also as well. And especially Coin Alley and whoever else had came on and caught us in the middle of it or towards the end. We will be making another video today because I want to share some good news with you guys that's happened to my credit score today. So I don't want to give away too much information there. Okay. But I will be sharing that in the next live stream today. Just to let you guys know that. Janelle says we will definitely do a video of Credit Strong. Yes, we will. We will do a video about Credit Strong. But the next video today, next live stream today, will be about my good news and my credit score increase. Cornell, point to point transportation says, I'm waiting on your good news. My scores are slowly going up, and today my Navy Fed has increased from 200 to 2,000. Awesome. Everyone, please give a congratulations. Please say congratulations to point transportation or Cornell. Everyone, give a clap, standing, I don't know, standing ovations. I don't think you can do that in a live stream, but congratulations, everyone. Please say congratulations to Cornell for that wonderful news. His Navy Federal increased from 200 to 2,000. He got a credit limit increase. So everyone, please say congratulations to point transportation. Okay. Coin Alley says, oh, a teaser. Yeah. Sorry about the teaser, Coin Alley. But we needed to pause and eat because we did order some pizza from Domino's when we started the live stream. And yeah, we're going to eat some pizza and sandwiches, some chicken. And then I'll be back on in a little while with you guys with another live stream. And we go over my good news that I got today. Um, Pink Lady Barbers at point to point says, "Good job, good job, good job." Point to point. Thank you for that, Pink Lady Barber. Point to point says, "Thank you all." The Coin Alley says, "Make it a MUK bang, mook bang. All the kids are doing it." Smiley face. Okay, what do you mean by what is a mook bang? Coin Alley, let me know where Walter. What does that mean? That way I can make the video more like that. What you're saying there. Point to point transportation says, I'm getting off for now to going to eat too. Yeah, yeah. I guess we all getting hungry around this time, huh? Time to go get our grub on, huh? Janelle says, congratulations to the awesome point to point. She meant to say PTP, point to point. So happy for that. Keep up the good work. The Coin Alley says that's when you eat on the live stream. LOL. Well, I'm trying not to eat on the live stream. Janelle's eating though, but she's not on camera. See, she's not on camera. All right. But you know what? Let's see. Let me get a piece of pizza there. I guess I'll take a bite. I guess it won't hurt, right? All right, guys. Sorry about that. I'm just gonna take a little bite. That's all right. Okay.
Taking my pizza.
I don't know. Taking Janelle's pizza there. But yeah, I just took a bite. First time I ever done this on a live stream. So, but Cornell says he'll be back with us in a few. Ronald Anderson says, "Yay, yay! Congratulations, congratulations! Point to point."
Coin Alley.
Coin Alley says, "There you go, your first mukbang." Oh, okay, so that's a mukbang. Okay.
Coin Alley.
Okay, I gotcha. All right, Coin Alley, thank you for that, Walter. So, and recognizing everyone who contributed today, first and foremost, I want to give a special thank you to Spence Eccles. And Spence Eccles, thank you so much for joining us today in the live stream. Really appreciate you and all you had to offer to the group. And hope to see you in many more live streams too, also as well. Also want to say a special thank you to Ronald Anderson. Ronald Anderson, thank you so much for joining us today in the live stream. Pink Lady Barber says, looks good. Okay, thank you for that, Pink Lady. Appreciate you. Uh, Also, everyone, please give a special thank you to Jose Pina. Thank you, Jose Pina, for joining us once again in another live stream. I really appreciate you. Special thank you to Ronald Anderson. Thank you for joining. Special thank you to Pink Lady Barber. Thank you, Pink Lady Barber, for joining us here again in another live stream today. Special thank you to Jason Van Hughes and everyone. We gave congratulations, Jason. Your credit score increased from 558 to 638 since June 1st. I really appreciate that too, also as well that you're sharing here in the group. Special thank you to Julian Robinson. Thank you so much, Julian, for sharing. I'm glad to have you here, buddy. Special thank you to Yolanda Cleckley. Thank you so much for joining us here in the live stream. Appreciate all that you have to offer the group. And congrats. Okay, Victor says congrats to Cornell and thumbs up. Okay, awesome, awesome. Special congratulations, special thank you to SC Travel RN, which looks like a new uh, member of our live chat today. I want to say a special thank you to SC Travel RN. Really appreciate that you're joining us here today. I'm wondering, how did you find out about us, SC Travel RN? Did you find out about us through our company's Facebook page, Nurse Providers Incorporated? Because we do talk a lot about nursing there, and we share a lot of information with a lot of nurses and RNs there that have joined that page. But I really do thank you for joining us, SC Travel RN. I really appreciate, all that you had to offer the group and your comments and contributing here and listening to our discussions too also as well. So thank you so much. Hope to see you in many more live streams with us too also as well. Victor Louder says your first official mukbang, LOL. Yeah, I believe so. Now I know what a mukbang is. So that's the first one. Uh, Special thank you, I want to say to Keith Shep. Thank you so much for joining us once again in another live stream. I really appreciate you, buddy. Thank you so much for sharing here with us and the group too, also as well. Special thank you to Save Like a Pro with Leah. Thank you so much, Leah, for joining us once again. I know it's been a while since we've seen you in our live streams, but we really appreciate you joining us, and you really add a lot of value. And if everyone is interested, you go ahead and join her. Subscribe to her YouTube channel. It's called Save Like a Pro with Leah, where she talks about different aspects of finance. Okay. Special thank you to Point Transportation LLC or Cornell. Cornell, thank you so much for joining us today, buddy. It's always a pleasure to see you in our live streams. You really add a lot of value to us also as well. I'm just laughing, guys, because Janelle just looked up mukbang's definition on Google.
I had to.
Okay, and this is what she's gotten. Okay, I'll just show it here on camera. I don't know if you guys can see that clearly. Okay, that's a mukbang definition. I don't know if that's look like the words are coming up backwards on my screen.
They can't see. Okay.
Oh no, there it is. Okay, looks like it's coming out clearly. Can you guys see that? It's saying a mukbang or miokbang is a live online audio-visual broadcast in which a host eats large amounts of food while interacting with their audience. Okay, so that's but I mean Cornell, that wouldn't be really a mukbang because I only took like one or two bites, so I didn't really eat a large amount of food. Right, I didn't eat a large amount of food, so I don't know. Maybe that could be a baby mukbang or a little mukbang, or something like that. I don't know. All right, but well, thanks for sharing that, Walter. Really appreciate that, buddy.
It's Coin Alley fault.
Jonelle says it's Coin Alley's fault.
You made me look up that. I never heard of that word.
She said you made her look up that word now. She just had to look it up. Okay, so all right. Awesome. So I think oh no, okay. I got two more people to recognize here. Special thank you to Point to Point Transportation at LCL Cornell. Thank you so much, buddy, for sharing and contributing. It's always a pleasure to see you here with us in the live stream every time. And hope to see you in many more of our live streams. And also, I noticed that you are following our, what is that? You are following our our Patreon. Yeah, I noticed. I seen you there. So great, awesome, awesome. Thanks for following our Patreon. Appreciate that. Also, special thank you to Dead Mouse. Thank you, Dead Mouse, for joining us and contributing in today's live stream. I really appreciate all you have to offer, buddy. And hope to see you in many more live streams to come, too, also as well. I also want to say a special thank you to the Coin Alley. Coin Alley, thank you so much for joining us, buddy. It's really a pleasure. Every time you join us, you do contribute a lot to the group. Sometimes you even help us answer questions to also as well as a moderator, and it really helps out a lot too, Coin Alley. I really appreciate you, buddy. Thank you for joining us too also as well. Victor Lawler says, "Oh my God, OMG! I have not had pizza in over 2 years. I went veggie in 2017. Oh, did you, Victor? I wonder what that experience was like. What is it like to go vegetarian in 2017?
No meat.
I know what it is now. I know you're going without me, but I was asking him what it was like his experience. You know what I mean?
I don't think I can do it.
Janelle says she doesn't think that she can do it. I don't know if I could do it right now either. I can do it, but not right now.
You gotta commit to it.
Yeah, that's something that I think it requires like a big commitment.
You gotta really commit to it.
Like Janelle's saying, you really got to commit to it, you know. But anyway, thank you so much, guys, for joining. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and hit the bell for notifications. That way you'll never miss a single video as we make them. Also, hit the thumbs up, guys. It really helps out the channel a lot. Really sends a message to YouTube and helps out with the YouTube algorithms too, also as well. So thank you so much, guys, for joining, contributing, commenting, raising questions, suggesting videos. And today's suggestion was I should make a video about Credit Strong. So that we will do.
Probably around an hour or two.
Okay, but we will be back on with another video talking about my good news pretty soon. I can't tell you what time, but it will be today. It will be today. I just gotta eat, gotta kick back, maybe watch a TV show or so, and then we're gonna get ready and start planning the video, the live stream. Coin Alley says I did vegetarian for a month. Oh, okay, 1 month. That's awesome. That must be very interesting to do that. Janelle says they do have vegetarian pizza.
What's that? Wrote it down.
Yeah, he said that he did vegetarian for a month.
Look up.
Oh, look up. Oh yeah, they do have vegetarian pizza. Oh, okay. That's what Janelle was pointing at. Just pointing at that comment you made that you do have vegetarian pizza. That's awesome.
Okay, 9 o'clock.
All right, everyone. So thank you so much, guys, for joining us in today's live stream. I don't know what time we're gonna do the live stream, Janelle. I don't know, Janelle. I don't know. I can't give a definite time, but we will be doing one today. And thank you so much, guys, for joining once again. Oh, also, if you haven't yet been there since we hit our first 1,000 subscribers, the new updates that we have now is we have a community tab on our YouTube channel. We also have the ability to receive super chats in every single live stream. That super chat feature is enabled. So if you don't know already, we do have the super chat feature enabled, because I know there was some people that were telling me they were trying to send me super chats before we hit the 1,000 subscriber mark, and they were not able to send any super chats inside of the live stream because it just wasn't turned on yet, because we did not at that time reach our subscriber milestone of 1,000 subscribers, but now we are beyond that. So if you haven't been with us for a while, that's one of the updates now. If you want to send a super chat, you can, because that is turned on now. Also, another update that we have is we have a Patreon going on, and the link can be found in the bottom of this video in the description too, also as well. So if you're interested in becoming a patron of this channel, how to get an 800 credit score and getting help with your credit score, personal one-to-one help, and credit coach to help you increase your credit score too, also as well, and help you with large purchases like buying a home, coming up with strategies with you for that, or buying a car, or getting approved for lines of credit or loans, or whatever the situation may be. Um, and you're new, consider joining the Patreon and supporting the channel.
Vegan?
Uh,
Barbara. Vegan?
okay. The Coin Alley says pretty much cheese and a bunch of veggies. Oh, that sounds good though, Coin Alley.
No,
Cheese and
read the
veggies.
one above
No,
that.
Janelle, that sounds good. The cheese and veggies.
Read the one above that.
Oh, the one above that, Victor at the Coin Alley. It ain't real pizza without pepperoni. Oh, you're right. You do got a point there, Victor. Without pepperoni, you know how much we love pepperoni over here, Janelle.
You.
Oh, you. Oh, yeah. You're an olive person. Janelle likes olives on like every single pizza that she eats, guys. I mean, black olives, everything, black olives. My goodness. Okay. All right. I mean, I don't got nothing against black olives, but I mean, I'll eat her pizzas too with the black olives on it, and I like my pizzas too. But and mine with pepperoni for sure, and lots of chicken on it for sure. Pink Lady says, "LOL, you guys are funny. Try vegan. Yeah, we will definitely give that a try." She says she did it for 4 years. Awesome, awesome. Okay, Janelle's giving a thumbs up right there. If you guys can see her hand, the thumbs
Black
up.
olive and chicken and pizza.
Can,
Thumbs up.
can you guys hear that? That's Janelle. Tyrone Williams, welcome to the live stream. Tyrone, everyone, please give a warm welcome to Tyrone Williams. And thank you so much for joining us today, Tyrone. Really appreciate you, buddy. And Tyrone says, did you know after you get a Chase card, if you get 5 or more new credit card accounts in a short period of time, that your account could get shut down? No, I did not know that, Tyrone, but I was kind of suspicious about that too, because I've heard I wrote it down right here. Yeah, I got Tyrone. Yeah, I've heard from different people that they gotten their accounts closed down for too many hard inquiries, and that was on Facebook. People were having a big discussion about it, and I've heard about that too. So I never experienced it myself, because I did experience it being on the other end of it, because my buddy Dwayne from How to Build Credit TV, they closed down his Chase account, and I felt bad for him because he's been such a loyal customer of Chase for a long time. But also, it kind of they did report it to my credit bureau. However, the 2-year authorized user. So it's probably still going to stay on there for 10 years, probably. So that's a good thing, because that's positive history on my credit report, reporting. Even though I could not keep the authorized user, which kind of sucks. I would have liked to keep that 2-year authorized user, but it is what it is, but Chase is just like tripping these days. But Tyrone, yeah, we went over a lot of details about the Chase 524 rule. If you're just joining just now, you could go ahead and hit the replay, catch the replay, restart the video after we're done, and you'll be able to catch the full topic that we went over. Okay. So it's a lot. There's a lot of information in there too, in the topic we went over today, because it talks about exceptions to the 524 rule. It talks about what the 524 rule encompasses, in totality. It talks about certain cards that are not impacted by the 524 rules and cards that are impacted by the 524 rules, and on and on. So definitely you want to watch this video again from the beginning if you have missed the beginning or the middle of it. Right. But also, I want to say a special thank you because right now you did come in when we are recognizing all those who have contributed, commented, and raised questions here in the live stream. And I do want to say also a special thank you to Tyrone Williams. Tyrone, thank you so much for joining us today in the live stream. You really add a lot of value to our conversations. I really appreciate, all you do to interact with our credit building community too also as well, because we learn a lot from each other as a group also. And see what we have here. Janelle says hello to Tyrone Williams. Coin Alley says I love Hawaiian pizza, pineapples and bacon, and or Canadian bacon. Awesome, awesome. I'm the same, I like those things too. Sounds good to me too. Also, actually making me hungry now. Tyrone says, "Did you know after?" Okay, I read that one already. Janelle says hello to Tyrone Williams. The Coin Alley says, "Yes, this is a possibility." Tyrone Williams said, "I found out through CJ the Credit Fixer YouTube channel." Yeah, I believe. Isn't she also on Facebook too? Also, is what her name sounds familiar, doesn't she? Isn't she part of like a Facebook group over there called the Credit Builder Team? If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, she's awesome. I mean, I liked a lot of the content that she puts out there in the Facebook group. Coin Alley says some think the coast is clear after they get approved. Yep, that's true. Some don't realize that it's really not. Tyrone Williams says, Janelle, how are you? Okay, Janelle, it's Tyrone. Tyrone says the Coin Alley, they are not that bank. Don't play that. LOL. Okay. Janelle says, I'm doing good, Tyrone. Victor says, I think you better call Tyrone. He's got the music signs up there, too. I remember that song from back in the day. You got to call Tyrone. Tyrone Williams says, he is a guy, CJ, the credit fixer. Oh, okay. He is a guy. Okay.
Nate, the 25 he came on.
Awesome. I think you sure he's not on in some of the Facebook groups? Because I know that name, the credit fixer, sounds like I could be wrong. Maybe it is a YouTube channel that I watched before. Sneaky 25, everyone, please give a warm welcome to Sneaky 25. Thank you so much, and welcome back again, buddy. Good to see you here with us in the channel on the live stream. Sneaky 25 says, "Damn, I'm gonna have to watch this from the beginning. I'm late. Hello, everyone. Welcome back, Janelle. Yeah, that's okay. Sorry about that, Sneaky 25. Yeah, we were just getting ready to go. But I do want to let you guys know, for those of you who came late, we are making another live stream today. And because I got some good news today, I want to share with the group. So I will be making another video today. And also, we had a special request about making a video about Credit Strong, which is a credit builder loan, installment loan. Okay. Victor says, sorry, thank you, I couldn't resist, and the smiley face. Janelle says, yes, you will have to go back and watch it, Sneaky 25. But we will be doing another live video later on this evening. Yes, we will. We will be doing another live one. Tyrone says he got a YouTube channel. I lost his account. He kept on opening new accounts. Oh, okay. Yeah, I thought I did see. Yeah, you're right. He does have a, now that I remember now. Yeah, he does have a YouTube channel, and sometimes I do watch some of his videos about credit. Awesome channel, by the way. I just can't remember the name of the channel. I think it's one of the channels that I am subscribed to. Tyrone says, okay. Yeah, he's talking to Victor. Okay, guys. So also a special thank you to Tyrone Williams. Did I mention everyone? No, Sneaky 25. Sneaky 25 is the last person that came in there. Okay, so also I want to give a special thank you to Sneaky 25. Sneaky 25, thank you so much for joining us today in the live stream. Really appreciate all that you have to offer, buddy. It really is a pleasure you coming back and joining us once again for another live stream. So, guys, thank you so much for joining. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and go ahead and hit the bell for notifications. That way, you'll never miss a single video as we make them here on this channel. Also, hit the thumbs up, guys. It really helps out the channel tremendously. Right now, we have 12 people here with us in the live stream. I don't know how many thumbs up we have. My phone says 2 thumbs up or 2 likes. I don't know how many yours says, Janelle. I don't know. But mine is not always up to date. So guys, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. Also share this video everywhere with all of your friends and all of your family, Facebook and all of your social media networks too also as well. Share this video as much as possible as well. And see read off one or two more comments before we go. Tyrone says, I got approved for the, what you said, what?
I was reading what you said. Go ahead.
Oh, Tyrone says I got approved for the PenFed Power Cash Rewards card and Capital One Platinum card. Both got low limits. Now I got 8 cards now. Okay, awesome. Everyone, please give a congratulations to Tyrone Williams. Okay, congratulations Tyrone Williams for getting approved for the PenFed Power Cash Rewards card and the Capital One Platinum card. Okay. All right. So, guys, thank you so much for joining us. Congratulations to Tyrone. Congratulations to Jason Van Hughes. Also, congratulations to Cornell, point to point. So those are all the, what you said, babe?
Victor.
Oh, no, it was a congratulations I was talking
Yeah,
about.
Victor.
Also, congratulations.
Good for you.
Yeah, and also congratulations to Victor. Credit score increases for today. We have Jason Van Hughes, and also we have Victor. Victor, too, also as well.
He used to be.
Which he used formerly known as Hip to the Dip. Yes, that's right. I got it right. Thank you so much for joining us, guys. Also, please give a warm welcome to Bodyguard. Bodyguard, there you are, buddy. 856. Thank you so much for joining us, Bodyguard. Really a pleasure to have you two also as well. So I want to say a special thank you also as well to Bodyguard 856. Bodyguard, thank you so much for joining us today in the live stream. I really appreciate you, buddy. You really contribute a lot. Bodyguard says, "What's up, guys?" And Tyrone says, "Thanks. I got 5 more. I'm trying to get, but I got to wait 2 to 5 years." Okay, yeah, I got you. Well, I'm in the same boat, Tyrone. Okay, Bodyguard says, "Better late than never." Yep, absolutely. At least you made it. Like just like I told the rest of the people, that just came on. We will be back with another live stream today. I'm going to talk about some good news that I got concerning my credit score. And also, we had a great topic today. We talked a lot about the Chase 524 rule, the exceptions, what cards are impacted, what cards are not impacted, and what is included in that 524 rule and what is not included in the 524 rule, too, also as well. So, Bodyguard and all you guys, Sneaky, I believe Tyrone, Coin Alley, all you guys who came in later on, you can go ahead and replay the video from the beginning and definitely catch all those topics that we brought up. All right, buddy. And the good news I will discuss in the next video I'm going to make today. Bodyguard 856. Oh, Tyrone Williams says, "What's the good news?" I will say that for the next video. I don't want to spoil a surprise for you guys. All right. But thanks for bringing that up, Tyrone. Um, Bodyguard 856 says, "Made my second self lender payment the other day. Now Okay, now the wait for it to hit the credit score. Yes, yes, for sure. It will definitely make your credit score go up for sure. I got almost 70 points added to my credit score just from, since the first day I used Self Lender. Okay, so that was a huge benefit there. The Self Lender, the average person gets a credit score increase of over 110 points or more in less than 1 year of using Self Lender. Janelle says, thanks to Pink Lady Barber. Hope you will be on later when we do the live stream. Yeah, we hope so. We hope all you guys come back and join us again. If you're not doing nothing, you're not busy, why not? Go ahead and join us in the live stream. Tyrone Williams says, what do you think about the Merrick Bank double your line Visa card? No, I've heard about it. Um, I think the Merrick Bank is not offered to everyone. Okay. I got denied that one. But I really should not have tried to seek pre-approval. I didn't do a credit application with Merritt Bank, but I did do the pre-approval. They couldn't offer me anything. I believe it's because I had maybe the card inquiries probably was the issue with them. I mean, I don't know. Who knows? But Merrick Bank, it sounds like a great offer. Where you can double your credit limit within a certain amount of payments. After a certain amount of payments, sounds like a good deal. And there's actually another credit card that has been doing that too. Also, it's called the Reflex or something or whatever. I think it's called Reflex. I just got an offer in the mail from them, a pre-approval from Reflex, the Reflex card, but credit card. But I don't think I will be going with them because I don't need to, and I'm trying to stop opening new credit for a long time. So my credit's in the garden. It's marinating right now, so I'm gonna stay away from opening any credit cards. I got 19 accounts right now reporting to my credit bureau, so I got plenty. I got enough. Uh, Janelle says, thank you. He would tell everyone on the next live stream this evening. Okay, yeah, about talking about the good news. Pink Lady Barber says, yes, ma'am. Janelle. Okay, Janelle says to everyone, FYI, we'll be back on later this evening. Lyndon will reveal his great news. Yes, to be revealed. The Coin Alley says, Ronald Anderson, okay. Tyrone Williams, they sent me a $900 pre-approval through the mail. I activated thinking about canceling it tomorrow. Okay, that's your choice there, Tyrone. If you want to keep that $900 offer or cancel that. I don't really know much about Merrick Bank except that they do double your credit limit. I was thinking about maybe reviewing that card, but I noticed there have been like some other people who have made reviews about videos about the Merrick Bank credit card. So I was kind of wondering whether or not I should do one also because so many people have already done one review about it. But I mean, if I get a request to review it, hey, I'll make that video too. Okay. Bodyguard 856 says, does My Jewelers Club and New Coast Direct affect Chase 524 rule? Yes, they do, Bodyguard. Why? Why do they affect it? Well, let's see. Because My Jewelers Club is a credit card. Why? Because it is a revolving credit account. Okay. Anything revolving like that, they actually can send you a card in the mail too. But it's not a Visa, a MasterCard, doesn't have any logo like that on it. You cannot use it to shop at any other store but the My Jewelers Club store. But it is revolving, so it's a credit account. So yes, it counts. New Coast Direct, yes, it counts. That counts also as well. All right. Tyrone Williams says, no fees, no annual fee. Wow, the Merit card, they don't offer no fees. They don't charge any fees, no annual fee either. Wow, that's awesome. I know it's similar to the pedal card that I got. And the pedal card doesn't charge any fees and no annual fee either. They don't even charge a late fee, nothing, you know. So that's awesome. Awesome. All right, guys. It is almost 8 o'clock. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get off right now, and then we're gonna eat, watch a TV show or so, some little Hulu or Netflix or something. I just got a message from my boy Julian, and we're probably going to chat with Julian a little bit and some of our other people that we work with their credit. So, guys, thank you so much for joining us today, and really appreciate all who have contributed. Tyrone says they have no setup fee but has a 25% interest rate. Okay, yeah, well, it's a credit card for people who are building credit. So when you're in that period where you're building credit, like we most of us are here on this channel, um, you're gonna expect that. Okay, you're gonna expect the high interest rates. It's just something you're gonna have to deal with it. While you're building credit. When you're done and you're out of the some prime stage, then now you can, look for credit cards that have lower interest rates. More perks, things like that. Bodyguard 856 says, "What time will you be on later?" I'm not sure exactly, Bodyguard, but guys, make sure that you hit the bell for notifications. Okay, you can check, okay, by going to the channel and seeing if you clicked on the bell or not. The bell, if you clicked on it, it should have two side marks on it, like that mark there, but the one behind me, that's on the bell right there. You guys can see that two two marks around the bell. It should look like that. Okay, the bell for notification. All right, because a lot of you guys are probably subscribed, but you didn't hit the bell notification. So hit the bell notification. That way you get a notification, on your cell phone, maybe your computer or somewhere, email or somewhere. You'll definitely get a notification. All right, guys. So thank you so much again, guys, for joining us. We appreciate you guys. We'll see you guys shortly. Okay. Until then, there's Janelle waving. Come over here. Just say goodbye. Okay. Yeah, Janelle is just gonna wave. Okay. So see you guys later. Um, be safe. See you soon.